Alright YouTube, so I just finished putting everything together, adding all these accessories to my friend's Can-Am Ryker. He brought it over to the Ryker doctor to get some work done. So if you want to check out all the stuff that I added to the bike, watch the video. It's pretty enjoyable and helpful. Alright YouTube, so they just dropped off a Ryker to the Ryker doctor. What we have here is a Ryker 900, and over here all these boxes are going to be added to the Ryker today. So this is going to be a full change, and I'll let you know as the video goes on what we're going to be changing. Let's see what we got in the first box. Okay, looks like we have the SHAD bag support arms. So we're gonna mount those to the Ryker starting now. Now I'm about to install the SHAD side mount on the Ryker. Okay, 2 clips go in here. Okay. They give you 3 of these little clips. 2 go there. Then you mount this piece. You screw in these 2 bolts, and then we'll tighten. This screw and this screw have to come out, so you can mount the second part of the max mount. Alright, so these 2 screws are going to replace the 2 I took out, and those 2 screws are going to hold this piece. I'm going to mount it in there. So this last clip is going to go behind this in there, and you're going to bolt it on. You're going to get this extra piece. You only need that if you don't have a max mount. Since they have a max mount, you don't need it. So we're going to put this clip in, tighten everything up with a 40 Torx, and we're done. Alright, so we're going to install a SHAD windshield. So we're going to remove this cluster protector. It's going to be all Torx screws. So we're going to get in there and remove those. Okay, to attach the windshield, you're going to attach these 2 right here in front of the cluster and tighten those up. Yeah, this is the adjustable part of the windshield. We're just putting this on. Alright, so this is the final part of installing the SHAD windshield. As you can see, it's adjustable. We have everything bolted on. So we're going to install the hand grips on the Ryker by removing, starting off with the mirror with a 30 torque. Okay, installing the hand guards. As you see on this, you're going to see that little nipple. I know it's hard to focus. That little nipple is going to go in that little hole right there, and that's how you know you're putting the guards on in the right direction. These are the aluminum hand guards. Now, you also can order a set of plastic wind covers for the hand guards. It comes in 3 pieces. This, and then the plastic shield. My advice to you is, this is a pro tip, put it together before you put it on the bike. So it goes in like a puzzle, everything matches up, you bolt it, you screw it in, and then you put this onto the bike. Let's get them done. We're going to do 2 and put them together. 2 front hand protectors installed and the plastic wind protectors. Pro tip, leave the plastic tape that comes on with it so you don't scratch it up after you install it. So now we have windshield, 2 hand protectors, and wind protectors. Let's keep on going. Alright, so now we're replacing the hood because he broke it. The new hoods do not come with holes, so you actually got to get a drill and a bit and drill some holes. They marked them here where the holes are supposed to be. That's where you drill a hole so you're able to put your panel on, and the panel has slots that you put them into. So I just drilled the holes, so we're just going to screw those on and put the trunk or the hood back on. Alright, so now let's swap out that rear passenger seat for the Lynx system. So now we're gonna upgrade his horn. So we're gonna remove this horn and put in the Denali horn. Easily bolt on, done in minutes. So let me take this off, 13mm bolt, and bolt on a new horn. So I removed the horn from here, off the bracket that I took off from there. I could use the same nut on the new horn. It's gonna go in there. Then we're gonna bolt it right back to the bike. Got that new horn in. Let's give it a test. Reach over here. Loud enough. Let's get the hood on. Got the hood on. Horn fits perfectly inside. So what we added was a windshield, hand guards, and wind deflectors. We also added the luggage mount, the SHAD bag holder, and the cup holder. And we replaced the hood and added the color panel back to it. Alright YouTube, so I'm done. Just finished working on this Can-Am Ryker, adding some accessories for him. It's going to be picking up later. So hope you enjoyed me putting everything together. Thank you. Follow, like, subscribe.